Good morning students. Today we will discuss activity 3.8. This activity asks us to burn magnesium ribbon and sulfur powder. Magnesium is a metal and sulfur is a non-metal. And for the burning, oxygen is required. So when we will burn metal, oxygen is required. So metal will burn in the presence of oxygen. So metal oxide will be formed. And when we will burn non-metal in the presence of oxygen, so oxide of non-metal will be formed. Okay, then what we will do, we will take the oxide of metal and non-metal and we will dissolve that oxide. It means we will take two separate beakers in which we will take water and we will dissolve in one beaker metal oxide, and in another beaker we will dissolve non-metal oxide in the water. This is the what we have to ask in this activity, and then we will check the nature, that is acidic or the basic nature of these oxides with the help of litmus paper, that is blue litmus paper and red litmus paper. So as I have already told you that on burning metal in the presence of oxygen, metal oxide is formed. Okay, and on burning, this is the on burning non-metal in the presence of oxygen, oxide of non-metal is formed. So what we will conclude from this activity, at the last we will conclude from this activity, metal oxides, okay, the solution of metal oxide is basic in nature and non-metal oxide solution in water will be acidic in nature. Okay, so let's start from the first, that magnesium is we have taken. Okay, magnesium ribbon we have taken. When we will burn that in the presence of oxygen, then magnesium oxide will be formed. Okay, on dissolving magnesium oxide in water, magnesium hydroxide will be formed. Okay, it means when metal oxide in water, it will be the magnesium hydroxide. Okay, so what we will do, we will check the nature whether this solution, okay, is acidic or basic. So when we will dip a blue litmus paper in this solution, there will be no change in the color of blue litmus paper. There will be no change in the color of blue litmus paper. But when we will dip red litmus paper in this solution, the color of red litmus paper will change to blue. And we have already studied in the acid base reaction that base turns red litmus solution into blue. It means base is turn the color of red litmus paper or solution to blue. It means magnesium hydroxide is strong base. Indirectly you can say that the oxides of metal are basic in nature. Then next is with the sulfur powder. When we will burn sulfur in the presence of oxygen, sulfur dioxide gas is formed. Okay, and when we will dissolve that gas in water, okay, then sulfurous acid, it is H2SO3, sulfurous acid is formed. Okay, so similarly we will test the nature of this solution. Okay, so you will find that the color of the blue litmus paper will change to red. Okay, and there will be no change in the color of red litmus paper. And we have already studied that acids turn the color of blue litmus paper or blue litmus solution to red. So in this way we will conclude that metal oxide, okay, are basic in nature and oxides of non-metal are acidic in nature. So it was all about activity 3.8. Thank you and have a nice day.